Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a contract using Docusign. Whether we are preparing agreements for clients, employees, or partners, Docusign makes the process simple, secure, and fully digital. Now, let's get started on the Docusign dashboard. We begin by clicking Start and then go to Envelopes. We need to get signatures or sign a document. We choose to sign a document, then upload a file. Choose a file. Here we have a sample employment contract. As you can see, we'll put sign on this one. Next, at the bottom part, we have the name. We put it here. Name, signature. We put the date signed and the date here. We put some. Now, we select details so we can add more, like automated fields, since it's already here for the employer. Once finished, just click Finish. It is now ready. We will send this to our email. We take sample here, your contract sign. Then Send. As it sends, we check it on our docket agreements, then Sent. Here is our completed sign link, and we check this one. It is signed and sent successfully. That's how we make a contract with Docusign. With your document prepared and ready for signature, we can manage agreements faster and more efficiently.